All right, it is time for time-stealing cats. And I think we go Goblin mode for time-stealing cats. The player option will play a black cat. Alright, let's see what this is all about. This keyboard and mouse game. This how to play lets you practice the basic controls one step at a time. Oh wow, you have to really press F for next? Delay the heroes before they reach the Demon King. Each delay gives him more power until he is strong enough to defeat him. I am blocking everything. I'll go over here. First, pick up the axe, move to the red frame, and press F. Nice. The axe was added to your item list on the left. Use the axe on the tree. Step by the red frame tree, press F and choose yes. Haha, fuck you heroes, you were blocked. Next, use an item. You received a cat bomb. There's a mouse over the left item list. Use the wheel to select the cat bomb. Cat bomb selected. Move inside the red frame near the heroes. Right click inside the red frame to place the cat bomb. If you're outside the frame, it will not be used. Ouch. Good. The explosion delayed the heroes and increased the Demon King's power. Demon power is the Demon King's strength. It rises when you delay the heroes. Gold is your money. Okay. Cat power is your current cat strength. It shows you how capable your cat is. Elapse is the current playtime. Delays are added here so the projected clear time becomes longer. Attack CD is the wait time before your next left click attack. Ready means you can attack now. Round map shows your position and nearby paths. This tower defense. Ouch. You meowed. May not stop the heroes, but it is important cat work. Key to this game is watching the heroes carefully. Play again, learn their behavior, and set traps ahead of the places where they're likely to pass next. Welcome, Hero Seito. It's been a long time. There's only one reason I called you here today. Someone has appeared to carry out the will of the Demon King. It me! 10 years ago, the King of Demons, the former King Ois, led the demons and invaded humanity in order to rule the world. He made great sacrifices, and in the end, a single hero destroyed the Demon King in exchange for his own life. Your father, Mitsu. You're the only one who inherits the blood of that hero. I want you to defeat the new Demon King before he gains enough power. I understand. You've never stood on a battlefield before, and you probably don't have much confidence in your own strength. But once you pick up the hero sword, power seeping into your blood, sleeping in your blood, will be released. If that happens, you'll surely be able to defeat the Demon King. I understand that you have some doubts, but this is an order. Protect the future of humanity. I understand. Very well then. Wait! I heard you're going to defeat the Demon King. I'm going to! Chio! My parents were killed by the Demon King's army. I've been honing my skills for revenge. All for this day, to destroy the demons. I know your efforts, but only the hero can defeat the Demon King, even if you come along. Doesn't matter. Defeating the Demon King is my reason for living. I won't hold you back. If I'm captured, I'll take my own life. If I'm in the way, you can leave me behind. But let her go. She'll go anyway, even if you stop her. Do. Then I will also accompany them. Grant me a leave from guard duty for a while. You already know my skills, Your Majesty. But remember, the only report I want to hear is of your victory. Thank you. We will defeat the Demon King without fall. Demon King souls. It seems the hero's side has made a move. Honestly, this would have been funnier if the language was just meow, 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 meow. See, then we have no choice but to fight. The former Demon King always said so. The demon will surely rule the world and manifest through realm once again. That is the purpose of our existence and my reason for being. If I break the seal binding the former Demon King's power, my strength will grow. But it will take some time to release it completely. Felon, buy us time. Delay the hero. I cannot entrust this work to anyone else. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. A battle, huh? Hurry! If you hurry, you'll trip. Meow. Meow. What's wrong? We don't have time for a cat. Let's go. Do you want to come too? We're gonna defeat the Demon King. Meow. Meow, meow. Kitty meow. Then come with us. Are you serious? A cat like that will be useless. I don't know. Strength isn't everything. Huh? But the path ahead is dangerous. I won't force you. Do what you want. Meow. What the fuck? I just pick up everything.
Ready then.
I'm gonna take this one too. Take this one. What's gonna take? Take the whole farm. What the fuck? Oh, this is quality right here. What do I get in the house? Oh, I can just. How did it come to
What
this?
does that mean?
Why does my only room come dirty? I didn't do any cleaning at all. At this rate, I'll be buried in trash and die. Someone help me. I'll be dead in 10 seconds at this rate. No. Yeah, well, fuck you. 10 seconds. Why can't I pick these piles of shit up? Can I pick up your dead body?
Well.
That's a new use for it. Okay. There's an entrance to a mysterious base. Challenge it? What just happened? I have no idea what happened there. Where'd my humans go? No destination connected. Meow. Does it not sound right? Meow. No destination connected. It's really well built. What is this map here? Hang on. What is this map here? I'm moving around. Doesn't change at all. Is that a person? They don't have no head. Maybe I should actually watch a video before I try a demo of a game. Kitty, I will give you tuna. Actually, give it back. Give me my fucking tuna.
The fuck does that mean?
Who are you, meow? I don't know your face, meow. You want to enter this house, meow? You want to enter? Bring me a feast, meow. Not just any feast. I want bluefin tuna. I need 10 bluefin tuna. What do I do with all this wooden stuff? Like, what is even happening in this thing? Guess destination not connected? High as fuck cat. Yeah! Yeah! This thing still hasn't changed. Hey, there's the party. I finally found one. Did I turn into a cat girl? Oh, back to a tiny cat. So this is a game in Next Fest. I go force event in 5, force event in 4. Is that? Go on, take it, Sato. Okay. Wait. Could I pull out the hero sword instead? What do you mean? Honestly, I'm stronger than Sato. I want to be the one carrying it. Are you serious? I am. Actually, I'm angry. I'm just not reading this anymore. I don't want to play this. This isn't... Wasn't I supposed to be stopping them from coming here? I just kind of came along. guess I was supposed to be stopping them? By, like, cutting down a tree or something? Thank God that's over. Alright, this needs cooking, because, like, it's great name, and the art looks cool. Like, the description. Side with the Demon Lord and sabotage the hero's adventure. In the time-stealing cat, you play as the hero's Demon Lord's pet cat and secretly interfere with the hero's journey. Like, that sounds great. I just ran around picking shit up, apparently forgot how to do anything, and just... No, I didn't know there was... Yeah, yeah. Anyway, 0 out of 5. Let's go play the penguin game.